Welcome back to the channel English on Mafrana. Today we are here with the ice-breaking topic named degree versus skill. We are having an interesting debate today. So here with me there are two opponents team. One will follow the degree and second one will follow the skills. So with me there is Monaxam, Tanushri ma'am, Alia ma'am and Vivek sir are going to favor degree. And on other side we have Amar sir, Abhya ma'am, Fiza ma'am and Mohit sir are going to favor skills. So let's start. So yes sir, what do you know about degree? Can you please put your point?
Yes, ma'am. I want to put my research, what I have researched. As you know, the Harvard School University found who having degree holders from has studied from higher educations who like to pass the leadership to those and having high package. As you know, the Microsoft company, the CEO Satya Nadella, who is working, have studied from Mangalore University, Chicago University. He always in the top position, supporting to him in the rise to again, and it is also the top position in the company, as you know. It is my
Yes
point.
sir. Yeah, that is the right point about the degree. So Mohit sir, what would you like to say about his degree point?
First of all, thank you, ma'am, for passing me this
You are
chance.
welcome.
As Ronak sir said, that Satya Nadella, who is having degree and having a high-paying jobs. But let me tell you, according to a research, and you know the Tesla company and the CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, he also said that I am going to hire those persons who are having skills, not degree. He said that degree is not important that much, still that, and skills are important more. Okay, so as Elon Musk has said, and there are many guys who are having skills, not degree, but they are having high-paying jobs and they are having good earning source, like Virat Kohli and Elon Musk. And just you can take the example of Bill Gates and Mark Zuckerberg, who is the founder of Facebook. They are having good earning source and they
That
are
is
richest
really a
person.
very strong point which Mohit sir has put about the skill. So Alia ma'am, what is your opinion about that?
My dear Master, I would like to counter your point that you have said that we are getting a lot of the job because of skill. So my first question is to you, all of you, that how a person can believe on you because of 3 month skill. How an organization can believe by your 3 months skills. If you are having certificate, if you are having degree, so of course that you will win the belief of them. There is one quotes also I would like to say, पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो बनोगे नवाब, खेलोगे कूदोगे तो होगे खराब. So yeah, so if you will go I mean just like if you are going to school, if you are getting degree, so of course you will learn a lot of the knowledge and skill too. How can you unbelieve or the purpose only for the skills? Like I would like to ask you this question.
Let me answer your question. I do not agree with your point, my dear Arya ma'am. Let me tell you that it all, as you said that how can a buddy believe you in the 3 month course? Yeah. So let me tell you that it all depends on the set of mind. It's presence of mind. It's not nothing else. It's just set of mind. And let me pass you one more example. You got a job through degree, but for maintaining it, you need skills. So of course that can lead you for further.
That is a noticing point here which Fiza ma'am has told, that if you have a degree you can enter there, but if you want to stable yourself there, so you require two skills. So what want to say about you?
Very first of all, thank you ma'am for passing me this great opportunity. Let me come to your point, ma'am. As you know, if you want to become a doctor, lawyer, IAS officer, otherwise you want to go in civil services. So you want degree. If you don't have degree, so you can't enter it.
Yeah,
But
that is right.
in Indian constitutions, it's also written if you have a registration and the piece of paper, so then you can enter. Then you can become, you can get a position like IAS officer. You can be a lawyer. You can be a CA. So that's the point. If you have a degree, so you can earn the money and you can get the job. But let me tell you one more point. A degree is also a safety net. If your business and job, whatever you are doing, it's toppled down. But you having degree, so it's your safety net. You can get job.
Tanushri ma'am point is that through degree we can earn money and that position. And second point is this, your degree is your safety net. So how will you counter about it? Can please anyone? Yes, Amar sir.
As you told, doctor and they need their degree, but the engineers and doctor are having skills, and skills, and skills mean talent. You can say to doctor and engineer they are having talent and skills, and you can say to engineer that from talent they are making many more things like you can say everything they are making
Oh, thank
because
you so
of
much.
skills.
Oh, that is a great thing. So ahead of it, I would like to ask about Vaisal. Can you please tell us more
Okay,
about
ma'am.
points?
Thank you very much for giving me this chance.
Yeah, you are
Well,
welcome.
before I just get started, let me put a question that can you enter without degree in any kind of job?
Not of course.
sir.
Yeah. So the entering pass or the passport of your life is the degree. So when you just enter, that's a degree. Because of degree, you get a certificate. As that ma'am told, that it's your proof that yeah you are a skillful person. And now the one question like that, if a job requires that someone should has experience something kind of this, but the degree provides you the degree. When you are going to pursue that, it give you a chance that do you want the experience to be in a job. So degree pass you each and every kind of experience and skills too, and that's your major and the first step to be in any kind of job. So that's my point.
Yes.
So that is a nice point which he has put about it, and I also that believe on a degree that degree is an entering point also and passes you the experience. How will you counter this point?
I want to counter his point as you are saying, as your teammate also saying that degree is important.
Yes.
So I want to tell that degree is also important, skill is also important. As you see that nowadays you can get your degree by giving money. Okay, it is also
Actually,
possible.
ma'am, we do not support the fake degrees. We are not going to support.
I'm giving an example. I'm not telling it's a thing.
Yeah,
So
it
as
is just an
yeah,
example.
example. It's not going. So as you are saying that everyone, so many people taking giving by money, but skills not purchased from anyone. You are making your often skills by doing your work, by doing your hard working. So skills not purchased from anyone. Skills degree can purchase from anywhere. That's
So, yes,
really
if you want chance to get admission or do in Harvard University, will you go or not?
of course about
That's
today's
same
generation.
point, ma'am. I'm saying like as the foundation of building we require as a degree also.
I'm giving example that in today's generation you can get degree by giving money. I'm not telling that it's wrong.
Skills
Here I would like
foundation
to
is degree.
interrupt in the middle that you were talking about the Harvard University means reputed university you are talking. So here I would like to conclude today's debate that we have learned about the degree also and we know about the skills also. How much both are the crucial because the right combination of skills and degree can lead you to the higher paid jobs also. And in today's generation, reputed university also prefers degree along with skills.
And I would like to say one thing. When we are getting degree from a place like any another place you are taking from any university, so along with degree you are getting a lot of the skills like
also.
leadership,
Problem
internships,
solving.
yeah, solving, and individually you are going to be able. With along with your degree, you are getting skills too.
Yeah.
So
And if
all
they-
over, the ideal scenario is the combination of degree, skills, where degree provides you a broad understanding of a particular
And let me
subject.
put one of
and
my point.
Yeah, why not, please?
Here the collaboration of skills and degree hits different. Let me put my one point. International example that a Seoul University in Korea
Yes.
select all the students from a town 100 students who are skillful, and in another side degree is a foundation level of anything in an entry gate of anything. So here the collaboration of both hit different. Thank you everyone.
I would like to also give one point of view towards this. Like we all are sitting over here. I would like to say one thing that if we are having degree and skill combination both, it will give something different. Just like we all are sitting over here because of English zone, and English zone is providing us skills too. So this is we all are sitting on the basis of our skills. So skills is also important. Now second point, my point I would like to say about degree also. Like if you are going to give introduction in interview with any another place, so your introduction is incomplete without your degree, without your education, without your qualification. So degree is also important. So that's my point.
So the
Okay.
conclusion is that skills is also important and
Degree is also
degree is also important.
And thanks a lot to be with us here. Thank you.